Yo, what's up everyone? If you thought 2025 was done with smartphone surprises, think again. The OnePlus 13T is coming in hot, and it's looking like an absolute compact beast. From a powerful chip to a massive battery, all in a sleek little body. This one's turning heads. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you love tech, and let's jump straight into the leaks. First off, let's talk design. The OnePlus 13T is rumored to feature a 6.31-inch flat LTPO OLED display with a 1.5K resolution and buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Small, sharp, and seriously premium. And with a metal frame, glass back, and a minimalist aesthetic, this thing looks classy. Rumored colors include white, blue, pink, and green. Now here's where things get wild. Powering this compact king is the brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. That's next-gen flagship power packed into your pocket. Pair that with 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 256 gigabytes of storage, and you've got a device that's ready for anything. Gaming, multitasking, you name it. Plus, there's an in-display fingerprint scanner to keep it sleek and secure. Leaked specs show a 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 main sensor, backed by a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. That's flagship camera quality in a compact setup. Some rumors even suggest an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens might make the cut. We'll have to wait and see. Here's the jaw-dropper. A 6,000 milliamp-hour battery. Yes, 6,000. In a compact phone. That's borderline insane. And it supports 80-watt wired charging, so you're back to 100% in a flash. The OnePlus 13T is expected to drop in China this April, with a global rollout, including US and beyond, likely coming shortly after. And the price? Leaks suggest a starting point around 3,000 Chinese yuan. That's about $415 US. A solid deal for what could be the compact flagship of the year. So, are you hyped for the OnePlus 13T? Would you pick it over a Galaxy or Pixel Mini? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell so you don't miss the official launch coverage. I'll be here breaking it all down for you. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.